Hey, it's Gwen Foxon. I'm glad you're here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so because, we're one awesome family, so we would love to have you. Now, we ended with the video. Remember, the painting didn't work out. I sanded it, started painting on it. It was too wet. So now we're going to go and we're going to see where it goes. So that's where we left off with the video. And then I got up at 3 in the morning and decided I had to paint. I had to work on this painting. So, of course, I didn't video at 3 in the morning. But I took pictures sequentially of each stage. Well, I missed one. But I'm going to explain all of that to you so you understand. So I hope you enjoy this. It finally made itself to fruition, I hope. But if you're like me, you're going, when I look back, I thought, ooh, I liked that. I should have stopped there. Oh, I liked that better. Let me know. And know that I love you. Take care. Bye. Okay, this is where we left off. This is what it looked like in the video. And then I turned it upside down. And I felt like I had to do that because I didn't like how it was looking. I just didn't like that. So this is how it looks upside down. I'm trying to figure out what am I going to do. Then I put some blue across it. And then I turned it again. I'm trying to figure out what is the best way. And then I put it aside, and this is when I got up at 3 in the morning or 2 in the morning and said, I'm going to add some red. And this is what I've done. So now I've added most of this with the squeegee. So this is how it looked like at 3 in the morning. And then I've taken more white. I've added more blue. But I'm just going to let you guys look at these because they are in progression. But now there is something I don't like in this painting, and it's this point right here. I don't like it. So now, even though I have it, I'm going to go ahead and put it in black and white to see if I like it. And if I do, if I like the contrast, do I have darks? Do I have a medium values? Do I have light values? And so now I'm working again. I've got my dark on the right side, but it's not quite dark enough on the left. And a lot of this has to do with the light coming in the window. And that made a big difference. So I decided I needed more white. And this is what I have done. I've done this. And so then I decided I needed to add more blue. And this is the final painting.